There is a way to reset your iPhone without deleting any of your data. So you want your iPhone to be reset back to the default, but you don't want to delete your photos, your contacts, all of the information you have, including your application. Then there is a way to go about it. So basically here, I'll detail how to reset your iPhone without deleting any of your data. First, go ahead and open your iPhone settings. Scroll down and click on General. Then under General, make sure you scroll down to the bottom and then click on Transfer or Reset iPhone. Now, instead of erase all content and settings on your iPhone, which will delete all data, you need to go ahead and click on Reset. Under Reset, you have various options available here, and in this case, for us to reset any iPhone without deleting the iPhone data, we only need to reset all settings. Once you click on Reset All Settings, you'll be prompted to type in your iPhone PIN or iPhone passcode. Type it, and now that says, enter screen time passcode if you have a screen time setup. Now, a pop will appear that says, this reset all settings and your Apple Card, keys, and password will be removed. No data or media will be deleted. Now, for you to reset your iPhone to default without deleting data on your iPhone, just go ahead and click on Reset All Settings. Once you click on Reset All Settings, this is going to reset your iPhone without deleting any data on your phone. So that's basically how you can easily reset your iPhone if you don't want to delete any files or data on it. If you found this helpful and informative, please don't forget to like and then subscribe.